Assalamualaikum and good evening dear friend. My name is Qasim Sohail and you are watching my YouTube channel. आज हम काउंटडाउन बुक 6 के टेस्ट पेपर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हल करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, रीराइट द फॉलोइंग यूजिंग सेट बिल्ड नोटेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के तमाम पार्ट टेबुलर फॉर्म में लिखे हुए हैं। हमने इसे बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखना है। बिल्डर फॉर्म में हम तमाम एलिमेंट को एक स्टेटमेंट की सूरत में लिखते हैं। सेट ए इज इक्वल टू 4, 8, 12, 16। ये 4 के मल्टीपल हैं। हम इसे बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। सेट ए इज इक्वल टू एक्स such that x is a multiple of 4. Set b is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 to onward. ये प्राइम नंबर हैं। हम इसे बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। Set a is equal to x such that x is the prime numbers. Set c is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 to onward. ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हैं। हम इसे बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। सेट a is equal to x such that x is the perfect square and x एलिमेंट है n का। सेट d is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 to onward. ये और इंटीगर हैं। हम इसे बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। सेट a is equal to x such that x is an odd integer. Question number 2, state whether the following are true or false. Part 1, if 3 एलिमेंट है a का and a प्रॉपर सबसेट है b का, then 3 एलिमेंट है b का। True. Part 2, if set a is equal to empty set and set b is equal to 0, then a is equal to b. False. Part 3, if set a is equal to 2, 4, 6 and set b is equal to 1, 3, 5, then a is equal to b. True. Part 4, if set x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and set y is equal to x such that x is the prime number less than 10, then x is equal to y. True. Part 5, if a and b are equal sets, then they are also equivalent. True. Question number 3, fill in the blanks with element, not element, proper subset, not proper subset, proper superset. Part 1, 10, 20, 30 प्रॉपर सबसेट है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 टू ऑनवर्ड का। पार्ट 2, 19 एलिमेंट है 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 टू ऑनवर्ड का। पार्ट 3, 2, 4, 6, 8 टू ऑनवर्ड प्रॉपर सुपरसेट है 6, 12, 18 का। पार्ट 4, 27 एलिमेंट नहीं है 1, 4, 9, 16 टू ऑनवर्ड का। पार्ट 5, 3, 6, 9, 12 टू ऑनवर्ड प्रॉपर सबसेट नहीं है 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 टू ऑनवर्ड का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, सेट a is equal to x such that x is an odd number less than 10. Set b is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 16. Set c is equal to x such that x is a 2-digit odd number less than 20. Part 1, list the element of a, b and c. Set a is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Part Set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Set C is equal to 11, 13, 17, 19. Part 2. List the element common to B and C. 11, 13. Part 3. Find the set which contain the element of A and C. Empty set. Question number 5. Express the following in tabular form. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 के तमाम पार्ट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखे हैं, हमने इसे टेबुलर फॉर्म में लिखना है। टेबुलर फॉर्म में हम तमाम एलिमेंट को कर्ली ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं। सेट ए इज इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर बिटवीन 2 and 7। 2 और 7 के दरमियान कौन से नेचुरल नंबर आते हैं? सेट ए इज इक्वल टू 3, 4, 5, 6। सेट बी इज इक्वल टू सेट ऑफ ओड नंबर लेस देन 10। 10 से कम ओड नंबर। सेट बी इज इक्वल टू 1, 3, 5, 7, 9। Set C is equal to X such that X is the color of the rainbow। रेनबो के कलर। Set C is equal to violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red। Question number 6. Find the pair of equivalent set in the following cases. Part 1. Set A is equal to X such that X is the vowel of the English alphabet. Set B is equal to X such that X is the whole number X less than or equal to 5. Not equivalent. Part 2. Set A is equal to X such that X is an even prime. Set B is equal to 0. Equivalent. Part 3. Set A is equal to 149. Set B is equal to X such that X is a perfect square less than 10. Equivalent. Question number 7. Denote the set of positive integer from 8 to 20 by 2. A, B, C and D are the subset of Z defined as follows. Set A is equal to set of odd integer. Set B is equal to set of perfect square. Set C is equal to set of prime number. Set D is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 7. Part 1. Write C and D in tabular form. Set C is equal to 11, 13, 17, 19. Set D is equal to 14. Part 2. Write the subset of B. Empty set 9, 16, 9 and 16. Part 3. Name the element common in A and C. 11, 13, 17, 19. Part 4. Determine the element common in A and B. 9. Question number 8. Pick out the pairs of equal set. Part 1. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Set B is equal to X such that X is the prime number less than 5. Not equal. Part 2. Set A is equal to 1, 4, 9. Set B is equal to set of perfect square less than 16. Equal. Part 3. Set A is equal to set of letter in the word Peshawar. Set B is equal to A, H, P, R, E. Not equal. Part 4. Set A is equal to X such that X, a man who has been to Jupiter. Set B is equal to 0. Not equal. Question number 9. Write the missing element in each pair of sets so as to make them equal. Part 1. Set A is equal to letter of the word Lahore. Set B is equal to A, H, R, E, dash and dash, L and O. Part 2. Set A is equal to X such that X is a month of the year beginning with A. Set B is equal to April dash August. Part 3. Set A is equal to 0. Set B is equal to X such that X is the least whole number. Part 4. Set A is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Set B is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 5 less than 25.